say hello again from Stoke-on-Trent Foodbank. This last year has been different for everyone, but it has shown us just how kind and generous people can be. During the last year, we were able to feed 17,000 people in need of emergency food parcels, thanks to people like you. Despite the practical difficulties of running food collections during COVID-19, we were greatly blessed by the selfless giving of food we received from churches, community groups and schools, all wanting to help others at such a challenging time. It was really amazing to see how people went the extra mile to do this.
Let's look at how that works. With the help of some of our friends, together we can make a difference. Here's Harrison and Mum.
Mummy, can we have an extra time if anyone needs?
Of course we can. Should we get some cornflakes as well?
Sure.
Here's Harrison and his mum paying at the checkout. And then dropping off their can at the Stoke-on-Trent Foodbank donation point near the supermarket exit. The food bank's van crew pick up the food from the collection point at the supermarket and take it back to our central warehouse. Last year, local businesses, communities and people donated a whopping 106.73 tonnes of food.
Our van delivers the donated food back to our central warehouse, where it is weighed and sorted, categorised and dated. Helped by a wonderful team of volunteers.
Every day, people in Stoke-on-Trent may not have enough money for food for various reasons, such as their job finishing, illness, getting an unexpected big bill when they do not have much money to pay for everything. The good news is we have partner organisations that refer people to us. An e-voucher number is generated that can then be exchanged for a 3-day emergency food parcel. At our head office and warehouse, food to match the e-vouchers issued is picked, loaded into the van and delivered to our centres. At Stoke-on-Trent Foodbank, we don't think that anyone in our community should have to face going hungry. That's why we provide 3 days nutritionally balanced emergency food that goes out to our 14 centres located across Stoke-on-Trent to support local people in crisis. Noah and Dad arrive with their e-voucher number at one of our food bank centres.
Can we have pizza sauce today, Dad?
Yes, certainly. Thank you.
Okay.
Oh, thanks very much.
Yeah.
I didn't want to come here today. Everybody's been really kind and welcoming. They've even given me some information and guidance to help pay my bills. They've given me so much more than food.
It's great to come alongside people in their time of need, able to chat and show them where they can go to get help with what brought them to us. Our centres show Christian values of love and compassion in action.
Traditionally, at harvest time in the Christian calendar, we give thanks for the food we have. Jesus met people where they were at. He had compassion for all those in need, often feeding the hungry. He used parables such as the story of the Good Samaritan who helped a stranger, and included people such as the little boy who shared his loaves and fishes to feed the 5,000, telling us that we need to love our neighbour. A way of showing that we are thankful for what we have is to give to other people who are in need. There are 3 ways you can help. Food, by doing a harvest, collection or adopting a month, by giving time like our volunteers do, or money, perhaps doing a fundraiser such as a relay walk. We are here to help local people in need and work towards a hunger-free future.